Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. So, the very first step is to download Google Chrome. Chrome has been downloaded successfully. Now, open Downloads folder. Select Google Chrome, and press Enter key, and wait for some time. Click on Install, and authenticate the installation. Chrome has been installed successfully. It's the quickest and easiest way to install Chrome on Ubuntu. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and for more updates stay connected and have a great day.